Alright guys, how you guys doing? We're going to be doing an unboxing today of my long-awaited Father's Day gift that my beautiful wife bought me. And as you can see here, the Pelican 80 quart just came in today. As you saw in the opening, I had to chase down UPS because we weren't going to be home at a certain time when they were going to deliver. So I found it and I brought it home, and now I want to open it up and share with you guys. I checked out a lot of videos and I couldn't find anything that advertised or unboxed the 80 quart Pelican. So this is new, so I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what it's all about. Got my handy dandy knife here that I use for camping, so let's open it up. This right here is the packaging. This is the front of the box. And one of the things that I love, and that's why I'm going to recommend this, hopefully if everything is good to go, is this right here. Made in the USA. Alright, let's open this baby up. I'll try to be real careful here and not, mess up my new ice chest. Come around here. Bright white. I don't know if you guys can see that from the video. All right, let's take this baby out here. All right, so we're going to take a look at what's inside the box. And here we got, it appears, some koozies. I don't know if you can see that. We'll open that up really quick. We got some Pelican koozies. We got our awesome Made in the USA sticker. We got a Pelican sticker. And then we got a thank you from Pelican. And another koozie. Let's check out this box. All right guys, so let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Nice, super nice. All right, so inside, as you can see, we got the basket. I went ahead and ordered the basket as well because my wife is awesome. So got the basket as well. It came inside. That's it. We'll open it up right now. And then we got some, we got another Pelican Built to Protect sticker. And then just the product catalog of all the different kind of items that they have. So we'll take a look at that a little bit later. Let's open the basket here. The basket is optional. You don't have to buy it, but I thought we do a lot of camping and we like to keep our stuff dry. Your essentials like cheese. Cheese is one of the biggest things that gets wet when you're out camping. So this is the metal little crate that goes inside. And this baby just... All right, so let's take a look at this basket here. It just sits right in here like that. And bam. All right, so like I said earlier, I know you guys can't feel this at home, but the feel of this cooler just feels awesome. It feels manly, if that makes any sense. But let's take a look at the drain back here. One of the features that it has. I know that previous videos showed a really kind of cheapish drain, but this right here seems like they've upgraded and it looks pretty neat and sturdy. If you can take a look at the wheels also, I thought they were going to be kind of like your average Joe wheels on other coolers that I have, but these are kind of rubbery and they feel tough. So let's take a look at the gasket here. It looks like a new and improved gasket. I've seen a couple of the videos, like I said, on the smaller 45 and I believe 55. And this looks like it's an upgraded gasket, which is pretty cool. It's got like 2 little levels on it. So that's nice and firm there, which will hold all the cool in and not let the hot air come out, or not let the hot air go in. So that feels pretty good. Up at the top up here, you've got a measuring stick. You got 2, 1 on each side, and that's if you're a big fisherman, man, you can just measure your fish up here. This thing is huge, and you're big. All right, guys, so we're just gonna check out the ease, see how comfortable it is to move it around, because it is pretty big. So I'm gonna do that now. So right off the bat, I will say that with my smaller ice chest, my feet always hit the back of the ice chest. This is an extended handle here, so it's pretty easy to move around. I like it. All right, guys, so this was just a little unboxing of my brand new Pelican 80 quart cooler. It's awesome, it's huge, like you just saw. We're not gonna get into any of the specifics on how much ice it holds and how many days and stuff like that, but this one does guarantee at least 8 days. I've seen challenges online that it's 8 days or longer. So but do go check out those videos. Coolersonsale.com does a bunch of challenges in regards to this stuff, and they're awesome guys. I'll post a link down below so you guys can check it out. But out of South Texas, thank you very much. Later.